Hi there, Chris here with an announcement video for you guys. We're going to do something fun for the month of August. On Way of the Brush, I am going to be doing a giveaway for all of August, I think. So basically, if you tune in during Way of the Brush, you'll be notified on how to enter the giveaway. And you do have to attend live. My patrons will be automatically entered into the giveaways. But yeah, so we're going to have a little bit of fun. Now, doing these giveaways, they are going to proceed as they normally do the giveaways, which is usually a little bit of a silliness thing. But yeah, so, and basically what happened here is basically I have been doing a little bit of cleaning up and doing a little bit of purging and things of that nature. So I came across a bunch of old Games Day blister packs and things. So I'm going to give those away. And, you know, if you want a chance to win some of these old blister packs, I've got like 2 of these Space Wolf dudes. I've got Archeon on foot. I've even got an Eldar Bone Singer. These are the old pewter models. And yeah, we're going to give them away. And so basically every episode of Way of the Brush, you have to tune in live. You can basically just, you know, attend and you'll figure out how to, you know, enter. And yeah, so good luck to everybody, and I'll see you guys in Way of the Brush. That's starting, what is that? This coming Saturday, so tomorrow, because I'm recording this Friday, so yeah. And yeah, there's also other stuff I may give away in future episodes. Maybe we'll do a whole couple months of just giveaways. Maybe just every other episode, just giveaways. Not every other episode, but yeah, I don't know. I'm rambling at this point. All right, good luck. See you guys later.